Noong ika-10 ng Marso taong 1876, ang unang tawag sa telepono ay ginawa ng ipatawag ng inventor na si Alexander Graham Bell ang kanyang assistant sa isa pang silid na nagsabi ng, "Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you." Natanggap ni Bell ang komprehensibong patent ng telepono 3 araw bago nito.
Was that has been made by Alexander Graham Bell in the presence of Dr. Christopher Bell on the 16th of April, 1885 at the Marshall Laboratory, 1241 Pacific Avenue, Washington, D.C. in Whitley, Florida, here now have Alexander Graham Bell.